everyone, here I am, just got out of Great Dunmow, I believe that place was called, and we're back into country roads. Yeah, I believe I was just talking about Rikers Cafe. If you live in London or if you live anywhere in the area, really, it's a lovely place to go visit. One little piece of trivia: if you look at Rikers Cafe, even if you Google it, you look at the name of Rikers, and I believe, if I remember rightly, you've got the R of Royal Enfield, the Y of Yamaha, the K for Kawasaki, the A is the last A in the word Honda, and S for Suzuki, if I remember rightly, but I do believe that is correct. So yeah, that was Great Dunmow. We've only got 24 minutes and we'll be in Finchingfield. Once again, if you've only just joined me, if you're watching these videos in the wrong order, yeah, that's okay, there's nothing wrong with that. We're going to Finchingfield, yeah. We're there in 24 minutes basically, unless there's any problems. And yeah, it just looks like a beautiful spot, beautiful place to ride to, a lovely ride to get there. I mean, I could well just go back on the M11 and make it nice and easy for myself. We'll see how I'm feeling once I've been there. Probably find myself a little cafe, get a coffee, chill out for a little while, head back. But this looks like a lovely little town, honestly. And I'm going to be honest, the route was advised by ChatGPT. So I just went into ChatGPT and I typed, give me a route through countryside from where I live. And this was what came up. And I looked at it and I thought, actually, you know what? Why not? That looks like an awesome ride. High roading, here we are, high roading. Reduce your speed. It's quite narrow pavement here, eh? Some no pavement. So. There's never anybody about, honestly. I've been through most of these towns and this lady's just proving me wrong. But look, I mean, I'm used to streets that are bustling with people. You know, this lady's literally just taking her little dog for a walk outside the old chapel. Nice. Wow, look, thatched roof with a fox on the top. Oh, these thatched roofs are lovely. Wow, I like this place. I think thatched roofs are fantastic. This place is amazing. Oh, wow. Okay, well, I'll be honest, I just saw a sign pointing this way saying Great Dunmow, so maybe that wasn't Great Dunmow. But what I'll do, when I come to edit it, I'll figure out where it was, and I'll stick it up. This is the life, people. This is the life. at these countryside lanes, it's so good. 171 acres of land and buildings. Wonder how much that would cost. These roads are so quiet, eh? Look at this. These got to be huge houses, eh? Those big gravel driveways that you see in films and stuff. Some people actually do live in them. Clapton Hall Puttocks. I didn't even get the third one. Philpott End it looked like, or something. Now that is, I'm not sure what road that is, but here we are at Great Dunmow. So yeah, that was definitely not a Great Dunmow earlier. So yeah, my mistake. I think I just saw a business name that was Great Dunmow something or another. So I'm just lifting my visor a little. Oh. As soon as the bike slows down a little bit, the visor steams up. Okay, so yeah, we'll figure it out. In the edit, I will let you know where the places were. Seeing a few bikers now. So this is actually Great Dunmow. I should have known because I have looked at the map and I did realise it was one of the closer places to Finchingfield. So I go right here. We are still in town, so let's keep it at a decent pace. Sorry, trying to do my, I need a better visor, I think, when I've got my camera on. The camera gets in the way of the visor, unfortunately. So, right, so that was Great Dunmow. I think what I'll do is I'll cut it again and it will make a final, I think, yeah, especially because I've just taken a wrong turn. So we'll cut it there. So if you have been enjoying the videos, please do like, subscribe. I would really appreciate some extra subscribers on here. And yeah, well, let's go back to the right turning, and I'll see you in the next video.